Practice tests are available to us through the Michigan eLibrary or MeL. In order to get there, go to the John W. Chi Library homepage and then click on the Homework Help tab. From there, click on the MeL icon. This takes me to a page of an alphabetized list of MeL databases that are available to all of us. But since I want to do a practice test, I am going to look at the shortcut column on the left-hand side and click on Tests and Tutorials. And this is the LearningExpressLibrary. You will need your own account so that you can save your information and to actually take these tests. So new users need to register, fill in this information, then click register. I already have an account, so I am going to log in. Once I am in, it tells me welcome back Tash, and here are my various learning centers. I want college preparation, so I click on more information here. ACT is what I am specifically looking for, and it shows me all of the practice tests that I can take. I want to look at the writing tests, and you can see that the practice test 1 is already in my test center, but I want to now add test 2. So all I do is click add to my center, and it is there. You can click on as many practice tests as you would like to go into your center. In order to get to your center, you click on the link My Center that is located at the top, and you can see that I have some practice tests already in here, and I am going to start essay practice 2 by clicking the start button. Here's an instruction page that you should read and then click start. From here, there's important information up here. I read the prompt. This is what I will have to write my essay on, and if I scroll down, here's the box where I write my essay. I do need to read my instructions. Click Save Often, and when I am finished, I click Next Page. But maybe I don't have enough time to finish this essay, so instead of clicking Next Page at the very top, I click Finish Later, because you notice that I have a time frame in which I need to write this essay. And I've been talking for about 35 seconds now, and the clock keeps ticking down. I'm going to click Finish Later. Now later comes, and I want to continue writing that test. All I have to do is click this Continue button, and the time should start counting down from where I had left off. I'm going to finish this one later so that you can see the results from my practice test 1. All I do is click the View Results button, and it tells me that I got a 4 out of a 6. Not fantastic, not terrible. It gives me a little analysis, and my score with the maximum score of 6. So these 4s are what I probably really should be working on, and in order to see where I scored versus what I am trying to achieve, I click on View Scoring Guide. I can open this up, and I can see that this whole row tells me what a 6 is, and I need to work on the last 4 columns. And this is what I need to do better. If I click View Essay, then it shows me what my essay is, my answer. I can scroll down and read through this, and then a suggested answer. So these are essays down here that are examples of a 6. So that's the highest that you could get. If you keep scrolling down, here's an example of a 5. Here's an example of a 4, a 3, and each one of these has a scoring explanation. A 2, which is much shorter, and then even the one that the last paragraph is really just a sentence and not a paragraph. So that's how you can practice your writing and look at examples of good writing samples. You can always go back to my center, and in order to add any other tests, I can go to college preparation, and it takes me back to where I was before. And you use the tabs at the top versus the tabs at the side. Good luck.